Good evening students. Today what we are going to see is rotating packed bed reactors. Now as the name implies, this particular equipment is a combination of a reactor as well as a mechanical operation, that is rotating. So एक packed bed છે આપણી પાસે and this particular reactor is going to rotate. Obviously this will have some advantages over the normal packed bed. જે packed bed આપણે લોકો distillation માટે, gas absorption માટે, whatever operations we are using. Over and above that, there is some advantage related to this particular equipment. So we'll just see a schematic representation of what this equipment will look like. As I already said, the exact figure will depend on the application where we are using this. But one of the easiest one to understand so that we can see how actually it is working, I'll just try to draw. So this is a very simple and schematic representation of what a rotating packed bed reactor looks like. Okay, and in the there are actually just two parts in this. One is the upper part and the other one is the lower part. The lower part is the static one. Okay, and the upper part is the rotating one. And if you see, they are you can say zigzag. So both these things, they come together and now this upper part will rotate and the bottom part will remain static. So this inside these baffles you will have your reactants or might be suppose solids in the catalyst hoy sake. If you want you can have some packings, whatever it is, those things will be inside these baffles and it will be something like this. The structure will be something like this. Okay, and now when it is rotating, it will keep on rotating like this. Okay, this is the concept of rotating packed bed reactors. I have just shown one inlet, one outlet. Okay, because I am assuming that might be it is a catalytic reaction where you are having catalyst inside this. Suppose on the contrary, if you are having say a two liquid reaction, be liquids, then you can have one liquid entry from one side, another liquid entry from another side, be liquid alag exits. You can have all those mechanisms. But this is just to show you what this actually looks like. I hope it is clear. Okay, this one is static and this one will keep on revolving. So જ્યાં વચ્ચેની જગ્યા છે એની આજુબાજુમાં the other thing will keep on revolving. Okay, like a blender you can see. This is the schematic representation of what exactly is the packed bed reactor, that is rotating packed bed. So this part is rotating and these are the packed beds. હવે actually when you go for a much more real one, the application based, it contains something like this. It is inside a big cylinder. एक cylinder ની અંદર inside this particular thing is moving. So might be some liquids come down, some liquids go up. Here you might have complex mechanisms, whatever. But this is the heart or the core of packed bed rotating reactors. Okay, now just to take a simple example of why it is very much useful, or a particular example where it is used. Chlorine gas reacts with NaOH, sodium hydroxide solution, to form HOCl plus NaCl solution. This reaction is governed by two things. Okay, and another important precaution is to be taken. First thing, chlorine gas, it is absorbed on sodium hydroxide solution. So first is absorption of chlorine gas on sodium hydroxide. Immediately as soon as chlorine is absorbed, તરત તમારું reaction છે, this reaction will happen. Okay, now the important thing is, so first thing absorption, second thing reaction. ये બે વસ્તુ instantaneous. As soon as absorption happens, reaction happens. Now the HOCl that is formed, it is in gaseous form. Okay, the important thing that we now need to do is the HOCl gas forms થાય છે અને સાથે NaCl is being formed. This HOCl gas, if it is absorbed in this NaCl, it will form a byproduct, or you can say a side reaction that will lead to formation of sodium chloride. What we actually want is HOCl. HOCl જોઈ છે આપણે. But reaction में HOCl बने અને if this combines with another product, આ બે products છે reaction, then you have sodium chloride. But તમારે product જોઈ છે, you will not get it. So in that case, what we need to do, you need to remove HOCl. If suppose say we talk in terms of fire triangle, ignition source, fuel and oxygen, આ ત્રણેય વસ્તુ ભેગી થાય તો fire happens. So if you want to avoid fire, you need to remove one of these three. એવી જ રીતના મારે સપોઝ આ વસ્તુ બનતા અટકાવવું હોય, in that case I need to ensure that these two components do not mix, and this is a gas. So what I need to do immediately, as soon as HOCl is formed, I need to remove HOCl out of this reaction mixture or reaction mass. મારે HOCl તરફ બહાર કાઢી દો. What used to happen was earlier this reaction used to happen in different types of distillation columns and reactors, and the efficiency of this process was less than 80%. 80% करता efficiency ऊंची आती है, because most of the time HOCl it comes in contact with your NaCl and the side reaction used to happen. Now this packed bed reactor was used, and a packed bed reactor used કરવા પછી the efficiency of this process was found to be more than 90%. 90% for efficiency using this particular. Okay, so as I told you, here we discuss the simple mechanism, but this reaction can also be done using a gas and a liquid solution. And પછી જે પાછું gas form થાય, you can make mechanism so that immediately you can suck out the gas. You need to understand why. Normal reactors માં આ વસ્તુની efficiency ઓછી આવવાનું કારણ શું? Because you are actually dumping in the entire reactants. Entire reactants તમે લોકો dump કરી દો છો. So everywhere the reaction is happening. A lot of places reactions are happening, and HOCl is being produced at a lot of places. And just in the immediate vicinity, if you get some NaCl, both of them react, and this side reaction happens. But in this case, the reaction happens very precisely at some locations, and immediately the HOCl is removed. So this was one of the applications. It can be as an exam that discuss about rotating packed bed reactors and give an example, or might be give an application of it. In that case, you need to mention this. Is it clear? Okay. Initially, these particular reactors were mostly used for separation processes, because reaction type that suppose તમારે વસ્તુ separate કરી લેવું એના માટે use થતું. But later, different companies started applying this for reactions also, like this. Our reactions માટે use કરવા માટે, because in this reaction, along with reaction, separation of this product is also very important. That is the reason why I told you reactions and separation are very importance, and this reactor is giving very good result in that. Rate of reaction is found to increase 2 to 3 times. Normal reactions in the 2 to 3 times the rate of reaction increase થાય. You need to understand what do you mean by 2 to 3 times. Suppose reaction speed 2 times increase થાય, એનો મતલબ જેટલો ટાઈમ લાગતો હતો તમને 50% ટાઈમ ઘટી ગયો. So that is a very big difference. Suppose the reaction is happening in 1 hour, if you can complete that same thing in 30 minutes, it's a substantial difference. Okay, so these are again, as you would have already noted, in almost all equipments related to process intensification that were discussed, one of the most common advantages is extremely fast reaction, high rate of reaction. Reaction tomorrow more fast. As a result of which, in most of the times, you can have the product in relatively very less time. So those reactions which are controlled by mass transfer controlled reactions, the extent of reaction, the efficiency of the process depends on mass transfer. For those reactions, all the equipment that we discussed along with this packed bed rotating reactor, this is also very much useful. Okay.